Hallo Leute, guten Abend, meine lieben Moin. Ja Leute, heute ist wieder Game an der Reihe. Und ihr wisst ja, wie immer, ihr könnt es mal tun. Eine Runde anliken, dann noch eventuell uns zu abonnieren, abonniert unseren Kanal. Ja, und dann ist ja wie immer Kommentar schreiben und noch eventuell noch, ja, wie immer, uns mal so die Glocke zu aktivieren. Wenn meine Frau die Glocke aktivieren will, sie oder soll ich es? Nein, ich. Dann tu es, Schatz. Was ist die Glocke? Was ist das für eine Glocke? Ja, ich sag ab. Ja, ist auch egal, Leute, ist auch egal. Immerhin, Game Tunes ist wieder am Start. Wir gehen mal heute auf eine Game Tunes, weil nämlich irgendwie ein Baby kommt. Baby? Ja, ist halt gut. Also ihr wisst ja, Game Tunes ist wieder am Start. Also jetzt drei Aufnahmen. Obwohl nicht heute, aber da habe ich noch von dieser Aufnahme habe ich noch was zu sagen. Ansonsten machen wir bitte das hier mal und let's go. Am Anfang wäre besser. Also. Catnap.
Soon you will become an obedient little toy once more.
Was macht er? Was macht er da?
What is this stuff doing to me?
Hm? Oh! Hä? Catnap?
Goodness gracious, I can't see anything. Did it work? What the? Sorry, a baby.
Ein Baby! Catnap ist ein Baby! Süß! Ja.
Catnap? He looks just like
Was?
me. Now aren't you cute? Hello there, little guy. Do you want
Catnap
to
ist noch da?
make me lots
Hä?
of money? Oh, that's not good. Get off me!
Oh.
My face! My beautifully chiseled face!
Oh.
This kid's not so bad. He's got a lot of moxie for someone who's only 30 seconds old. Why, you miserable little freak! Once I get my hands on you, I am going to... No,
Was tut der da?
no. That just leaves you and me. It's over for you. Oh, I don't think so.
Catnap?
Now that we understand each other, you have 2 hours to collect baby Catnap for me. If you fail, no, don't! I understand. Get the baby back or else. Now,
Ja.
find me that baby.
Huh? What was that?
Dog Day.
A baby?
Ich höre ja
What
auf.
the? Can this really be? It's a little catnap.
Yeah.
Don't cry. Your Uncle Dog Day's not going to let anything bad happen to you. I'll keep you nice and safe.
Der. Wie bitte?
What's happening to me?
Oh. Dog Day?
Another baby! Well, hello there, little Dog Day. Where did you just come from? Hey, hold on now, little Dog Day. That's not yours.
Was kennst du Dog Day?
Oh, come on, little pup. I'm too old to be running around like this. Just hold still now, okay? Easy, easy.
Lass dich los.
you to respect your elders. Now let's go find Catnap. I'm sure he'll know what to do with you.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh! Fire!
Feuer.
Everybody clear out! I can handle this!
What in the world? Baby Catnap was definitely just here. This has his name written all over it. There he goes. I got to catch him.
Baby, be there.
Oh, come on, stay still. Dang it.
Hagi.
Well, hello there, little guy. Are you lost? Oh, don't be scared. I didn't mean to startle you. My name's Huggy Wuggy.
Oh.
Now, what's your name?
Hagi.
My eyes!
Und der auch.
Something's happening to me. Oh, man. Is that what I think it is? It's a baby Huggy Wuggy.
Oh.
Whoa, I can't believe this. I'm a father now? Oh, that's so sweet. I love you too, little Huggy. Ah, never mind. Fatherhood stinks. Ah, get off me, little Huggy. Get off of me.
Oh, darn it. Where is he? Where did he just go?
Get him off. Ooh, thanks, Catnap. Who knew fatherhood could be this dangerous?
Ja.
Huggy, did you see Baby Catnap around here?
Oh, jeez. He was just here a minute ago. I think he went that way. Down that dark, creepy corridor.
Oh, great.
Now then, where were we? Oh, yeah. I was just about to go find you a chew toy. Ah, my hand!
Nicht schon wieder. Oh, Mama.
Well, who do we have here? A new baby in need of my caretaking? Oh my! This is my lucky day!
Machen wir vielleicht ein Baby. Ich weiß ja auch noch Baby doch nicht. Aber.
Liebst du das
Ja.
Gefühl von frisch
Gleich geht's
gewaschener
weiter.
Wäsche? Probiere Lenore Waschmittel. Für 50% mehr Frische im Vergleich zum meistverkauften Waschmittel. Lenore Waschmittel. Für Tiefenreinheit und langanhaltende Frische.
Neu. Manhattan Volume Up Pitch Black Mascara.
Einmal Werbung machen wir.
Ultraschwarze Wimpern. Euer Volumenkick. Jetzt noch intensiver. Express yourself mit Manhattan.
Geht weiter. Oh.
Another baby! Oh, and this one looks just like me! Oh, you're going to be so
Süß.
glad you get to call me mommy. Whoa, hold on now, little one. Where do you think you're going? Ooh, stop squirming. Come back to mommy now. What do you think you're doing? I am your mommy, and you will do as I say. Now get back here. Uh-oh, my arms. I'm all knotted up. You know,
Ja,
you're in a lot of
aussagen.
trouble when I get back down there, you
Baby mit Auswachen. Oh, mach.
lady.
Oh, what the? How did that happen? Oh, no. I don't think so. You're not getting away from me this time.
Wait, please, don't go. Help me. Help.
What the? Where did that come from?
Barry.
No, don't pull that lever. Wait!
Oh, oh.
Oh, no, that can't be good.
Das war noch klar.
Gotcha! There. Do you have any idea how worried I was about you? You could have gotten yourself severely injured. Now come on. I don't care what that CEO says. I'm getting you out of here. This place is way too dangerous for a baby. I don't think so.
Nicht
I
schon
have a feeling
wieder.
you might
Ja.
forget your loyalties once you found this little fella. Good thing I kept my eyes on you. Oh, squirm all you like, but you're not going anywhere. There. Now both of you just sit still. This will all be over with shortly.
You better let me
Catnap.
out. You hear me? If you even so much as touch a single hair on baby Catnap's head, I swear I'll...
Oh, don't you worry, Catnap. No need to be so overprotective. I wouldn't dare hurt this little fella. You see, at first I thought this little fuzzball we created was a total abomination. But then I thought about it some more, and now I see him for what he really is, an asset. You see, if I reverse engineer that gas of his, I could turn all of you monstrous freaks back into the cuddly creatures you were always intended to be. And then I can sell you all off to the highest bidder. So allow me to say goodbye, Catnap, and thank you for everything. No, this isn't good.
Oh. Ach nee.
Ah, get off me! Gotcha. Huh? Is someone there? What the? Wait, no, don't!
Oh.
Get off me, you bitch!
Oh, Baby hat sich selbst für nach Attacke. Oh Mann.
Ah, why, you little... Wait, no! No! Ah!
Oh.
No, wait! Ah!
Someone! Anyone! Help me!
I'm still alive. Hello? Is anybody here? Baby Catnap? Well, would you look at that?
Very heavy, you know?
I demand you to stop it! Ah!
Oh.
I'll do anything! Ah! Somebody stop this baby!
Ja, Kette wird auch erst lachen. Nicht. Ja, was denn? Liebling! Kitzel! Okay. Alles gut, Leute, alles gut, Leute. Mir geht's gut. Ich höre ja. Ja, sie hat auf Stopp gedrückt, deswegen. Okay, Leute, ich muss mich verabschieden. Tut mir leid, aber ich muss mich leider verabschieden, wenn ich weggezählt hat. Ihr werdet ja von dem Baby Miracle. Ich bin kein Baby. Ich bin kein Baby. Baby. Nervt. Ja, okay, Leute, ich höre ja auf. Leute, ich will mal sagen, wir verabschieden uns nochmal den PCs. Ja, Leute, ich würde sagen, wir verabschieden uns mal. Wir sehen uns aber im nächsten Video dann. Ihr wisst immer noch den Plan machen noch. Und ich würde sagen, ich würde sagen, wir verabschieden uns jetzt und wir gehen und wir sind und wir. Ich würde sagen, wir verabschieden uns. Jetzt mal ernsthaft. Tschüss und bis dahin, bis zum nächsten Video. Tschüss, bis dahin, Leute. Ciao, ciao. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. Liebling ist ja gut.